Hey there, my fellow veterans. This is the Vet Gazette with another video with valuable information to keep you current with benefits and news. In today's video, I'm talking about how to get financial hardship help. I know current times are hard right now, but don't worry, there's help out there for you veterans. This is why you need to know about VA financial hardship assistance. Let's dive in. Veterans, if you're finding it hard to keep up with your VA CoPay bills, there are options to ease the burden. The VA offers two main types of financial assistance: debt relief and repayment plans. Debt relief means you won't have to pay the amount that the VA agrees to relieve. Applying is simple. Do it online, by mail, or in person. If paying in one go isn't feasible, there's the monthly repayment plan. The VA will tailor this plan to suit your financial situation. To apply, just fill out the agreement to pay indebtedness, also known as VA Form 1100. For more details, visit the VA's financial hardship page. Don't let copay bills stress you out, veterans. Help is available. Go online to va.gov or go to your nearest VA hospital and search for or ask about the financial hardship program. Stay strong, veterans. If you like this information, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for stopping by.